Gold traded with little swings going towards 1996 on the upside, while on the downside it has created higher lows and it is still showing support at around 75-78 zone. Now what to expect today from gold? Is it going to break on the downside or we can expect a possible reversal? Yes, the day is going to be volatile with first the PPI data, then the interest rate decision and projections, and in the end the chairman Powell's speech definitely will bring volatility. So let's see how to profit trading gold today. I hope on my birthday I am able to deliver today the best of my abilities and much of profits to you all. So let's start. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do like, share, and comment as well. Now look at the hourly charts here. See the drop, retracement, higher lows. See, this is important. Higher lows here. It failed to break past by the preceding lows. Then the retracement towards the 20 period, and again it is moving on the downside. Now it is more important for us to understand it is not willing to break on the downside, and once it breaks or drops below 75, 72.5, there is no looking back as well. Yes, this is the zone which we talked about yesterday, day before yesterday as well. 75, 72.5 zone. This is the zone which gold needs to break in order to confirm the direction. Divergence in the moving average certainly shows bearishness here, and stochastic is looking down. MACD has retraced here, almost trading flat as of now. RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts as well. Look at this zone. On the upside now, 1990, 1995 zone. On the downside below 72, 75 zone, we can look forward to 65, 67 as the next support. This is the zone in which it is trailing. Yes, it is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. Below 65, 67 is where the bears are waiting. As long as 65, 67 is respected, the chances of a reversal exist. Also look at the 2 hour charts. As long as it respects the higher lows here, the preceding lows here, we have to be careful with the selling entry. And on the upside, see 1990 given it a very good resistance. Yes, there was a breakout, but still 89.91 zone, we have maintained that it is a great resistance and it is going to be a good resistance again. Thus, if you see it is staying above 79.91, 89.91 zone, you can again initiate a buying position there. Stochastic is rising. MACD is giving you the greener wave here. Look at the crossover in MACD, first wave, second wave here continuing, but the slope here is gradual. Let it diverge more, but it is right now trading with a very gradual slope. It is not bearish. RSI looking down, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, yes, it is getting very good support here at this zone, trying to form a symmetry. If you see a reversal here and if you see the price is staying above 85, we can initiate a buying a position and wait for it to break beyond 89.91. Beyond that, yes, more bullishness may prevail, but right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. The only ray of hope here is the higher lows which it is creating and the support it is getting on the downside. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trying to trade with little divergence, little bullishness. This crossover coming at the bottom, I expect it to diverge and continue on the upside, but it is not showing much of the signs. RSI almost at bottom, coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, this is something which is I am watchful of. Any drop below 75, certainly one should stay short in gold. We can look forward to see 75, 72.5 is the first zone, and then 65, 67. If these two levels are taken, do not think of going long in gold. Now see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The top and the bottom of the channel are precisely defined. On the upside, we have to be watchful around 95 levels, beyond which certainly the bulls will take over. Right now, no signs of a reversal. Stochastic oversold. MACD at bottom, trying to converge, not yet crossed over. If it does, this candle has to be bullish one and the crossover has to be stronger one. Then we can say that the prices have turned bullish. RSI at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts here. Likewise, similar observation. Yesterday's lows and higher lows is what you should look forward to. If these two lows are taken, then you can say similar size of candle can be expected in gold. The size of this candle was almost $30, and this time again, if it starts looking at 84 levels. If you count $30 almost, it may try to move towards 1954 level, but it has to break first the support levels at 72.575, then 65.67, and below that more bearishness. And before I give you the complete strategy and levels for today, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, in this birthday, we are giving you an offer to join our webinar series and consultations package, where you can get 2 live consultations with me, one on one. Definitely, if you are stuck into any situation or any stressed account you have, or if you want me to do an analysis of any of the commodities across the globe or any of the instruments across the globe, you can just book this. And also it comes with a 4 webinars where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We take a holistic view and I also take your questions live. So do register for it. Visit the page www.forexfunda.com. It is also there, shared in my communities tab here on YouTube and on my free Telegram channel as well. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, just ping me on Telegram to join my premium Telegram channel. Now look, so far higher lows, and see this candle has started flat, which means at some point of time today it can try to break beyond these levels, that is 82, 83. Now remember, 82, 83 first resistance zone. Once it breaks past by this zone, it can try to give you lower highs and it can continue to consolidate. So at least between this zone, that is 75 to 95, we have to be extra cautious. Yes, one can initiate a buying position here at 83, 84 levels rather, I will say. And beyond this zone, certainly the bulls will try to take over towards 89, 91, the first resistance, then 95, 94, 95, the second one. And if it stays beyond this, you can treat this as a reversal and we can see a rise here towards 2000 plus level. On the downside, stochastic is oversold. The MACD here is also trading with divergence, trading bearish, and it is continuing its downward journey. We have seen this many times in my previous analysis. See the top here, see the top here, top. What has happened after this? What has happened after this? It has started to retrace here and it is trading with divergence here. But not to forget that too much of divergence calls for it to converge a little, which means a greener candle. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, yes, a selling entry at around 75 levels, 75, 72.5 is the zone you should watch out for. Below that, we can expect 65, 67, and then below that, you can expect 54, 60 and 54 levels. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 1983, 84 zone, but with caution. 89, 91 first resistance zone, then 95 levels next resistance zone, and beyond that we will see 2002, 2006 and 2010. If you see gold staying above 2010, just stay bullish. It is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my consultations package and the webinar series. Visit my platform www.forexfunda.com or ping me on Telegram for any of your details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session and the inflation data. Thank you.